The Mountz Scout Screw Counter helps manufacturers detect and eliminate costly screw fastening errors during the assembly process. Using a screw counter is like putting the eyes and ears of a quality control manager where they are needed most, right in the assembly area. The Scout is designed to detect cross-threading issues, omissions, unfinished rundowns, and can also provide a batch cycle complete signal to line control devices. The Scout has a self-teaching mode to learn the fastening characteristics of the assembly joint and creates an acceptable time window in milliseconds for an easy setup. Fastenings outside of the acceptable window will produce a no-good fastening alert, and the operator will need to reattempt the fastening. A rundown must fall within the window limits to be counted as good by the system. The Scout allows for 8 different fastening profiles and can be used with up to 4 different Mountz electric torque screwdrivers. If you would like more information about Mountz Scout Screw Counter, request a consultation with one of our torque control experts today or visit us at mountztorque.com to learn more.